너무 깊게 찔러서 눈물이 주르륵 났어. 아, 왜 아직 눈물. 발레 선물 사러 갔어요. 양주도 있고. 춤이 엄청 많아. Yeah, Portugal.
Yes. Do you know if they like more tawny, ruby, white?
Like white.
Yes, we have also white. For example, this one, 10 years.
This one is also white one. Okay. It's only one for Portugal.
Yeah, we have others.
Okay.
White. Yes.
Okay.
I'm sorry. This is
What about this one? Yeah. Like what is different?
This is a tawny with 10 years, so it means that the grapes have an average time of aging of 10 years,
Yes.
and also it's also a style of the wine.
The ruby normally, the red bottle vintage is done with the same grapes as vintage, but the difference is the vintage must get aged in the bottle, so you have to...
White is 10 years, but as the white is good to drink it a little bit. If you choose this one is good to drink alone, okay?
Okay.
Because it is a 10 years, so. But if you want to make, for example, a cocktail, like a port tonic, we have the other options that I can show you there.
Casa. No. Are you afraid from cats? No, not?
No,
Allergic?
no.
Nothing. Eccoci.
됐어. 친구 아버지가 저 온다고 페인트 칠 이렇게 새로 해주셨어요. 깔끔하게. 진짜 너무 예쁘죠? 너무 앤틱. 약간 정말 유럽 집에 사는 느낌? 이렇게 깔끔하게 해주셨어요. 이탈리안 키친. 이탈리안 키친. 이탈리안 마마. 차오. 안녕. Oh, Italian wine. There's so many. Oh, you have a cat? One cat or? What's the name?
Rico.
Rico. Boy or girl?
Boy.
Boy. Rico.
Rico.
삼성.
another
Okay.
here just for watching.
Oh, I'm gonna take a photo with the Christmas decorations. Oh, it's so lovely. Christmas is here.
Wait, something is missing. You can see properly.
Oh my god.
Christmas.
Christmas is here.
I love that picture.
Nico. Wow. Like toy. It's so cute. Cute. Garden.
You want to go out or what? Yeah, here is a garden, but now it's.
It's so cute. Oh, did you bring from China?
Yes.
Ah, it's yours?
It's big.
Pink, oh pink. Oh my god, it's you?
Yeah.
Seriously? Oh,
Couple of years ago.
cop. Oh, so cute. So cute. 찜찜.
Mama, come on.
Can I enter? Oh. Lovely. It's very like antique, like very European.
Ah, yes.
Another bedroom.
This is your room, huh? This is bathroom, yes. And this is like a wardrobe.
Ah, yeah.
Place. And that's it.
Grazie.
Grazie.
Grazie, grazie.
Oh. So,
Andiamo.
so
Vediamo.
this is from Korea cosmetic.
Corea.
Yeah,
Questa
just
è
to like for you and mama.
per me e mamma. Queste sono originali dalla Corea e sono cosmetici, quindi adesso vediamo forse dei luci da labbra. May I open?
Yeah, of course.
Sì.
Yeah.
Like from Italia. Okay. And for dry skin. Okay. Nico is for the. Dice che è per le occhiaie e per la pelle secca. Grazie. Oh, sì, grazie. Grazie.
Thank you. Korean.
감사합니다.
Ah, 감사합니다.
감사합니다. Yeah, you can check it like this, like under the eye,
yeah.
here.
Also for the mask, when you put the mask.
Yeah. It's very famous now in Korea.
Kai,
Thai.
Seoul. Grazie.
Thank you.
You know that
Yeah,
everything,
it's,
this kind of presents are always welcome.
Yeah.
Mama, she likes also.
Also, they are from Portugal. This one is like white wine, but sweet one. I'm not
Okay.
sure you like or not. But
We will, not probably, it's alcoholic.
Yeah, it's kind of sweet, and this one is red,
Okay.
and this is not sweet one.
Not
So,
sweet.
yeah.
Ok, dice che questo qua è vino normale, vino rosso, questo invece è vino bianco ed è anche un po' dolce, probabilmente più liquoroso.
Ah,
Sì.
Thank you.
We are alcoholics.
Alcoholic. This is for you.
Allora,
It's very small. I
you
don't.
didn't have to.
Okay.
You really didn't have to.
No, ci vediamo.
You didn't have to. So
Okay.
thank you
Just
very
like
much.
small.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Yeah.
Grazie.
You're welcome.
감사합니다. Grazie.
You're welcome. Oh,
I want to open it.
oh, you're welcome.
Dimmi che è casa tua. This is your house.
Thank you.
Non preoccuparsi di niente. Che bello come usciva